What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to find winning products for your Shopify store. Now, before I get into the content, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can find, winning Shopify products in 3 different ways. Okay, guys? Now, 2 of the ways are going to be paid options. 1 way is a free option, but it's a great way that you still want to implement, so that way you can stay in the know pretty much of, what products are being released, what products are doing well and things like that as well. And that way you can actually promote those products into inside of your store, or you can actually find similar products inside of that niche, or maybe a product that's a little bit more improved upon that product that is actually winning. You can add to your store and also generate some sales that way, guys, okay? So the first way that I want to share with you all, the free way, is through Facebook Graph, okay? So if you're on Facebook, you want to come over here to the search bar, and what you want to do is you want to start off with, like keyword terms that are typically found in Shopify ads, okay? So that's usually like get yours here, buy yours now, save 50% or something like that, or free plus shipping or anything like that. Any of those type of terms you want to enter inside of this search box, okay? So let's start with get yours here, right? And what I want to do is, you can go ahead and search like this, but what I want to do is I want to search by video. And then I also want to choose the date of 2019 because I want to find products that are basically kicking ass within the last few months or so, pretty much, right? I don't want to find anything that's kind of like an older product. Now, that's not to say that if you find an older product that sold well like a few years ago that it won't work today. It probably will. But just for this particular video, we're going to stick with 2019 and see what products are been kicking ass in the last, the last few months, okay? So from here, you can see a wide variety of products, right? So this is some type of pet product. This is like an incense burner or something like that, right? So what you want to do is you want to find one of these videos that has a lot of views on it, okay? So let's go ahead and look at this one, which was for the dog. Let's turn that down. Okay, so this is something for, what, a dog gate? Okay, that's probably what it is. They call it a dog gap, okay? So this is a short video sharing what the product is, how to use it and things like that. So what you want to do, what I typically like to do is, if this is going to be a popular product, one thing that you can do is you can go ahead and like this page, okay? So any other products that this particular store will post, you will see them in your newsfeed, okay? So you understand what I'm doing with this, guys, right? So you're searching on Facebook to see additional products, see products that are being promoted with Shopify stores or e-commerce stores in general, right? Now, you can still do that main search and find different products that you can test inside of your store. This is taking it one step further, guys, okay? So you want to, like the page, right? Also, go and click on the link and go to their store. Okay, so now that we're on their store, we're automatically, if they're doing Facebook ads and things like that as well, we are being retargeted now, right? So now that we have visited this store, what's going to happen is we're going to be classified in Facebook as a person who views content, okay? Now, so when somebody's creating a Facebook ad and they use an objective for conversions, where they want to actually put their ad in front of people who actually just views their content, we're going to see more content from this particular store and other products that they will promote. Also, Facebook will actually put us in a pool of people who interact with Shopify stores. So when other stores, are posting, their ads on Facebook and on Facebook, we will actually start to see more of those ads in our newsfeed because we have interacted with this store in some type of way, right? Now, if you want to take it a step further so you can actually see, different products, click on the add to cart button, right? Now, this could be for any of these products, right? So click on the add to cart button, and now by us simply just adding the cart and not filling out any of the information, well, actually, you want to fill out some of the information, you can if you want to, but you don't have to. you're now being put in a pool of people with that at the cart. So you're actually just one step better than a person who just comes to a Shopify store and views content, who just searches the store and doesn't do anything. The fact that I clicked on add to cart button, I'm now being added to this pool of people who actually take it a step further, right? And when you are creating ads for Shopify, you can create ads that where your product is only being shown in front of people who add to cart, right? So now I'm going to see a whole different group of ads being shown to me inside of my Facebook newsfeed because I made that first step. If you want to take it another step further, you can actually purchase a product. And now when somebody is creating this Shopify store and they're creating ads where they're only targeting people who make purchases, you will be added to a different group of people, right? So you're going to probably see a whole different slew of ads in your newsfeed, okay? So that's what I'm saying. You want to take it a step further, okay? You don't have to purchase every product if you don't want to. I'm not saying that, but just understand what I mean, that you want to take some type of action so that way you can start seeing more ads show up in your newsfeed. Now, when you start to see more ads show up in your newsfeed, you're actually going to see more ads show up on your mobile phone, on the mobile app, the Facebook mobile app, because that's where most ads are being really targeted now, because most people interact with the mobile app than they do with their desktop, okay? And when you start to see those ads in your newsfeed, again, follow the same process. You want to actually click on the ad, click on the store, visit the store. So that way you're interacting more and more with these Shopify ads, that you're going to see more of them inside of your newsfeed. Now you're going to actually see what products are working, which products are getting a lot of engagement, all this type of stuff like that. And you can actually keep track of all these high performing stores and these different ads. And now you have a good idea of what's working, what's being really, what's a really popular or a top product pretty much with Shopify. Okay, guys. So this way really, really works, guys. Okay. So you want to come here again, choose different, keywords. Like I say, get yours here, buy yours now, free plus shipping, and start going down these particular ads and find the ones that have a lot of views on them and start to interact with those ads. You can simply do this right here and get an idea of some different type of, high engaging products that you can add to your store. But if you go ahead and take it those few steps further like I just showed, you'll start to see more ads show up in your newsfeed. And you want to take those ads, you want to save those ads, save the links to those ads, so that way you can always have inspiration or a full list of different products that you can test inside of your store. This thing works. This is something I have been doing since 2015. This works. And again, it costs you no money. It takes you a little bit of time each day to do this, but it's free and it's a good way to see what's already working through Facebook. Okay. So the next thing that I want to share with you all is Ecom Hunt. Now, this is still one of my favorite websites. I have actually found winning products on this website as well. And now what I want to tell you with this site is that just because it's on here, it doesn't mean that it's automatically going to be a winner. It still comes down to your targeting, all this type of things like that as well. Okay. But with Ecom Hunt, what they're going to do is they're going to show you a wide variety of products that are being promoted on social media, on Facebook. And with this information that you find on here, you can find out, you can get a description of the product, the actual suppliers on AliExpress, where you can actually find these particular products. Also, if you get the paid version of this, they will actually show you the actual Facebook ad. They will show you the targeting that is being used for that particular product. And also you will see the sales copy again, because they're going to actually show you the actual ad that they have found. So now you're going to see the actual the ad copy for it. So that way you can mimic what is already working and apply it to the product you're promoting. So let's go ahead and choose one of these. So this is a car trims remover. And once you're over here, again, they have an option where you can import it directly to your Shopify store. They also give you a description that you can use when you are putting this onto your Shopify store. You can copy this, or you definitely want to just make a few changes and make it your own. They're also going to tell you the actual selling price for this, the actual product cost, how much it will cost on AliExpress, and the actual profit margin that you will earn with this particular product. So you're already getting a lot of information with the free version. This is the free version, right? But again, if you struggle or you need assistance with you're targeting for your Facebook ads and all that type of stuff, or maybe like the ad copy, you definitely want to get the paid version of this membership, because it's going to provide you all the information and also a video that you can use as part of your advertising as well, guys. Okay, it's going to give you a hell of a lot more bells and whistles. That's going to make this process a lot simpler for you guys. Okay, and just to let you guys know, any website that I mentioned in this video, I'm going to put in the description below, so you can go ahead and just hit that link. It'll bring you to this website, and you can go ahead and sign up for a membership. Okay, guys. Like I said, this works pretty good with the free membership, but I highly recommend that you go ahead and take it a step further, get the paid membership, and so that way you can kind of see and get an idea of how people are actually targeting with their Facebook ads. Because this is going to help you further when you start to promote different products on your for your Shopify store, on how you can actually find those hidden interests that's going to help you to get more sales. Okay, guys, you don't always want to hit broad interest every time. They do work, but there's a lot of ways that you can find like those hidden niches that can earn you a lot of money, guys. Okay, guys. So this is what you want to do. This is Ecom Hunt. Okay. Now the last website that I want to share with you all is Dropship Spy. Now it's very similar to Ecom Hunt. They're going to give you access to winning products that they have found that have high engagement. They have already done the work for you. So all you would need to do is basically choose that product, import it to your Shopify store. And again, this is with the paid membership as well. Import those products to your Shopify store, and you want to go ahead and start promoting those products. Also, they have pre-made videos that you can use for video ads as well. So now you don't have to outsource that part of it. You don't have to create your own videos or anything for that product. They already have pre-made videos that you can use, and you can use those for your video ads as well. They'll also, again, give you, same with Ecom Hunt, they give you the list of the suppliers that you can find on AliExpress that are actually, they are offering that particular product. Also, the sales copy, they're going to show you the ads and everything else. So it's kind of similar to Ecom Hunt, but they just have a few different bells and whistles over here as well. But these are the two that I primarily use, in addition to the free Facebook strategy. They give you a lot of good ideas that you can draw off from to promote different top products as well. And then also as well, when you're looking at these products, it can help you to get some ideas on how you can find products that are just a little bit better, or offer a few more bells and whistles. And that way you can offer it to your particular audience or whoever you are targeting, guys. Okay. So those are three ways that you can find winning products for your Shopify or your e-commerce store, pretty much, guys. Okay. So the links to both of these I will put in the description below this video, so you can go ahead and get access to these. Also with Dropship Spy, they do have a free, not a free trial, they do have a $5 trial where you can try it out for 5 days to see if it's something that will work for you before you make a full commitment to it as well. So again, guys, I'm going to put those links below this video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. And also, if you want to get access to my free Shopify course on how you can actually set up your Shopify store, I'm going to put that link below this video as well. Again, it's a free course showing you how to set up your Shopify store within, like less than an hour, pretty much. And if you have any questions, comment below. Like this video if you got some value from it. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell, so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video, guys. Peace.